Hello dear students. Now I will discuss about inverse Laplace transform of such function of s which can be expressed as a partial fraction. That is, by using partial fractions we have to find inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so using partial fraction, you know about partial fraction. Partial fraction means if we have function of s as a rational function, there will be numerator and denominator. If numerator and denominator both are function of s, if suppose either s or linear factorize, that means degree of numerator and denominator. So this is numerator, this is denominator. Degree of this is less than the degree of numerator, then we express this rational function as a partial fraction like this. First of all, we have to factorize this denominator, and then by the method of expressing as a partial fraction, we have to express this rational function just like some constant upon linear factor or maybe second degree factor. If we get like this s 1 by s plus 1, 1 by s or 1 by s square plus 2, suppose in this form we will get the function, then we can do apply inverse Laplace operator, and we can get inverse transform by using a standard formula. So partial fraction is very useful for finding inverse Laplace transform. Okay, we know partial fraction, method of partial fraction. What are the method? Suppose s plus 2 upon s square plus 6x plus 5. That is here degree 1, here degree 2, maybe here degree 3, here degree 1 or 2. That means when degree of denominator is greater than the degree of numerator, then we have to express as a partial fraction by first of all we have to factorize denominator. Here second degree factor we can separate like this. If not, then there is also another method. Okay, and s plus 2 by this, and we have to write, if there are linear factor, then we write first factor f1, second factor f2, 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2, a upon f2, b upon a upon f1, b upon f2, and then multiplying by both sides by this and comparing the coefficient of s, we can get the value of a and b. These are the method. Okay, also by putting some value of, after multiplication, by putting some value of s, we can get the value of a and b. So if we get value of a and b, then this rational function is expressed as a partial fraction. Okay, this is the other method. If there are second degree factor also. Then we write if f2 is second degree factor. Then we write like bs plus c by this. These are the method. If suppose f1 same factor with power, then we write it 2 times a by f1 plus a by f1 square, etc. Okay. And finally by multiplying and comparing the coefficient of s, we will find the coefficients and put the value of coefficient, then rational function will express as a partial fraction. Okay. So take a question for solving this. Find the inverse Laplace transform of solution. Here is the question. What? Find inverse Laplace transform of 2s square minus 6s plus 5. 2s square minus 6s plus 5. 2s square minus 6s plus 5 upon s cube minus 6s square, s cube minus 6s square plus 11s minus 6. This is a rational function of s, and we have to find inverse Laplace transform of this. Inverse Laplace transform of this. Okay. So we will first, because our standard formula for applying our standard formula or any particular formula for inverse Laplace transform, first of all we have to express this in another form. Here we see that this is a rational function of s. This is degree 2, here degree 3. So we can express it as a partial fraction. Then we can find inverse Laplace transform. So for finding in partial fraction, we have to write 2s square minus 6s plus 5 upon this s cube minus 6s square plus 11s minus 6. Let this is equals to first of all we have to factorize denominator. Clear? So for factorization, denominator s cube minus 6 s square plus 11s minus 6 equals to, we can see factorize it degree 3, then that means we can get 3 factors of linear factors involving s. So here we see that third degree polynomial is here. So for factorizing, second degree is easy, so third degree. So first guess what is the 0 of this, that is what is a value of what will be the factor of this. So here 1 is a factor of this, because 1, if we put 1 here, then we get the value is 0. So x minus 1 will be a factor, s minus 1 will be a factor. So what is the method for factorizing third degree polynomial? To guess one value, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 not, 1, 2, 3, or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 1 is, because if we put 1 here, then this will give 0. That is 1 is 0 of this polynomial, that is x minus 1 is a factor of this third degree polynomial. So we have to express as multiplication of x minus 1. So we can write this is equals to what? S minus 1. This can be written as equals to, we know s minus 1 is a factor. So we can write this like this, s square into s minus 1 cube. So s cube minus s square plus s square. because we subtract s cube minus s square plus s square plus s square and minus 6s square means minus 5s square minus 5s square plus 11 s minus 6. So this is equals to s square s minus 1 minus here also we have to convert s square as s minus 1. That means what we do? S square minus s, that is we have to plus s also here. Okay, this is s square, 5s square plus 11s. Why we do it? We want s minus 1. Okay, so this is equals to also s square s minus 1 minus 5 multiply it minus 5 s minus 1 minus this is s minus 5s plus 11s. So plus 6s minus 6. So we see that here if we take common 6, then s minus 1 will be here also. S minus 1, s minus 1, s minus 1. So take common s minus 1 and we get s square minus 5s, s minus 1 common, plus 6 this. So s minus 1 and you can separate it by 2 and 3. Okay, minus 2s minus 3s, that is s minus 2, s minus 3. Okay, so s minus 2 and s minus 3. So these are the factorization of s minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Denominator can be factorized like this. Okay, so you can do it in rough or can write directly or can also solve. Okay, so 2s square minus 6s plus 5 upon, we can write s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3. So let this is equals to a upon s minus 1 plus b upon, because they are linear factors, so b upon s minus 2 plus c upon s minus 3. There are three factors. So as a rule of partial fraction, so 2s square minus 6s plus 5 upon s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3. This is our relation. Now our target is what? For partial fraction, finding the value of a and b, a, b and c. Okay, so a, b and c can be found by multiplying this quantity s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3 on both sides and then comparing the value of the coefficient of s from both sides. Or there are also shortcut method, you know, I think, because this topic is from, you are learning this topic from 12th class, so you can solve it. How? We can find the value of a by putting what? S equal to 1 on both sides except here and here. Okay, so you can find the value of e. Yeah, shortcut method, because these three are go to here, s minus 1, s minus 1 cancel, s minus 2, s minus 3 with a, with b, s minus 1 and s minus 3 with c, s minus 1 and s minus 2, and left side will be like this. Now if we put s minus s equals to 1, so a will remain and another 2 will vanish because there will be s minus 1. Okay, so s, so put, or you can write like this by multiplying So by multiplying what? Multiply it to here. Then 2s square minus 6s plus 5 equals to a of s minus 2, s minus 3 plus b s minus 1, s minus 3 plus c s minus 1, s minus 2 like this. Now put s equals to 1, then this is 0, this is 0, so a equals to what? S equals to 1, 1 minus 2. So s equals to 1, this here 2 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 5 equals to a into what? 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 like this. So here 2 minus 6 plus 5, we can write direct 2 plus 5 7 minus 6 1. So 1 equals to minus 1 minus 2 minus minus plus 2a that is a equals to 1 by 2. Similarly put s equals to 2. If s equals to 2, then this is 0, this is 0, so b. So here 2 into 2a square minus 6 into 2 plus 5 equals to what? Here b will remain. So b 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3. So we can 2 square 4, 4 into 2 8 and 5 13, 13 minus 12 1 equals to b 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus b. So b equals to minus 1, b equals to what? Minus 1, and also put final what? S equals to 3. You can put s equals to 3 here. So this 0, c will remain. So here 2 into s cube, 2 into s square means 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 5 equals to c into what? 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. So from here we can also get the value of 3 square 9, 9 into 2 18, 18 into 5 23, 23 minus 18 5. Okay, 5. So 5 equals to here 2 1 2 2 2c, that is c equals to 5 by 2. So these are the process of finding the value of a, b, c. There are other methods also. We can compare coefficients after multiplication. So this is the shortcut method. Direct shortcut method, you can put s equal to 1 2 3 direct, and you can direct find the value of a, b, c. So these are the method of doing partial fraction. So a, b, c, a half, b minus 1, c 5 by 2. So put here. So finally we have to put here value of a, b, c. Finally we have to put the value of a. A means 1 by 2, 1 upon s minus 1. This is a. B equals to minus 1. So plus b equals to minus 1 upon s minus 2 plus c equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 1 upon s minus 3. So this is the partial fraction. That means given expression can be written like this. So using this here, L inverse of what? 1 by 2 s minus 1 minus 1 upon s minus 2 plus 5 by 2 1 upon s minus 3. Okay, by using this is equals to now linearity property. By using linearity property of inverse Laplace transform, so this is equals to what? 1 by 2 constant, L inverse 1 upon s minus 1 minus L inverse 1 upon s minus 2 plus 5 by 2 common, L inverse 1 upon s minus 3. Now we know that the Laplace transform of inverse Laplace transform of this is equals to what? E to the power minus t minus e to the power 2t, and here plus 5 by 2 e to the power 3t. So this is our solution. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 2t e to the power 3t, e to the power minus 2t plus 5 by 2 e to the power 3t and 1 by 2 e to the power t. This is our solution. So L inverse is this equal to this. Very simple. But here, if function is rational function, numerator by denominator, here is polynomial also, here is polynomial also. If this is the degree of this is greater than this, then you have to express as a partial fraction first and then use that fraction, and you can get result directly by using our formula for inverse Laplace transform. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. Just we have discussed about partial fraction, using partial fraction for finding inverse Laplace transform. There are some other rules also, so just prepare for doing partial fraction and then using that fraction to find inverse Laplace transform. But also we are having some different type of formula also there. Now formula inverse Laplace transform of Fs divided by S, means division formula. Inverse Laplace transform for division formula. Here we know that what? Integral of 0 to t fu du Laplace transform of this by using Laplace formula of Laplace transform. Laplace transform of integral is equals to what? Fs bar upon S. If LFT equals to Fs bar, then we know. Clear? So we know this, so we can write by inverse process just like this. If L inverse of Fs bar equals to Ft, then because LFT equals to Fs bar means L inverse Fs bar equals to Ft, then here also L inverse of Fs bar upon S, function of S divided by S, equals to what? 0 to t fu. You can also write it fu du, or you can also write ft dt. Ft dt, same thing will get, because limit is 0 to 2, function will be of t. So you can also write here ft dt, or u, or x, or etc. anything. So this is equals to ft dt. Okay, ft means what? L inverse of 0 to t ft. You can also write L inverse of this, or this is the formula. Just with respect to t, you have to only integrate. If we know L inverse Fs, because we'll have like this function of S divided by S. Clear? Just like this. 1 upon S square plus 2 square. S. This is, we know its Laplace transform. Suppose like this. Okay. So inverse Laplace transform of this what? We know inverse Laplace transform of this 2 by s square plus 2 square. That is sine 2t. Clear? Okay. L sine 2t equals to 2 by s square plus 2 square. But we have to find what? 1 upon s square plus 2 square. Find inverse Laplace transform of this. How can you find it? By using this formula. Because we know L inverse Fs equals to sine 2t. Fs, Ft, sine 2t. This will be Ft. Okay? If this is Fs bar, then this is Ft. This is Ft. And this is Fs bar. Then using this formula, Fs bar by S, this by S, this by S, 2 by S square plus 2 square, S by S, inverse Laplace transform of this will be what? Integration 0 to t. Ft dt. Ft, what? Ft. Ft means sine 2t. Sine 2t dt. So now we can integrate it. So this is equals to sine 2t means integration of sine t means minus cos 2t by 2. Limit 0 to t equals to what? Minus 1 by 2 cos 2t minus cos 0 1. So this. So minus half cos 2t plus half. So L inverse of this is equals to this by using this formula. If again, but 1 by, so 1 as a constant can be taken right hand side from here. So here will be 1. In that case, here will be 1 and 2 can be taken here. 4. We can find inverse Laplace transform. If there is s square, then again apply this formula. In that case, it will be Fs bar. Again divided by s means s square. Then again integrate this. Then you can get result. So this is important formula. Okay. So using this formula, just we have to solve a question. Question is that here, find inverse Laplace transform of s plus 2 by s square s plus 1 s minus 2. Find inverse Laplace transform of solution L inverse s plus 2 upon what? S plus 1 s minus 2. S plus 1 s minus 2 s square. This is our question. Okay, we have to find this. Okay, so just discussed property, that is what? L inverse what? Using property L inverse Fs bar upon S equals to integration of 0 to 2 t Ft dt. Okay, this is where Lft equals to, while L inverse Fs bar equals to Ft. Okay, this is our property. inverse Laplace transform divided by S. So we have to find Laplace transform of this. Now we can also do it as partial fraction, but you can use also this mixing form. So first of all, s square, that means 2 times division by s. So first of all, we have to find Laplace transform of this s plus 2 by s plus 1 s minus 2. So here for this we have to partially factorize this. First of all, we have to find inverse Laplace transform of this. Okay, for that, let s plus 2 by s plus 1 and s minus 2 equals to a by s plus 1, b by s minus 2. For partial fraction, first of all we have to find inverse Laplace transform of this fs bar. Okay, so this equal to, we can write like this as minus 2. Okay, so now for partial fraction, value of a can be found by putting s equals to minus 1. So put, or you can write also if there is any confusion, implies s plus 2 equals to what? Multiply it, s minus 2 plus b s plus 1. So put s equals to minus 1. S equals to minus 1, that means 0. So here s equal to minus 1 means minus 1 plus 2 equals to a into minus 1 minus 2. That is what? Here 1 equals to minus 3a, implies a equals to minus 1 by 3. Similarly, a equals to minus 1 by 3. Similarly, you can put s equals to what? 2. Then this will be 0 and s equals to 2. So 2 plus 2 equals to, this is 0, this is b, 2 plus 1. That means what? 4 equals to 3b. That is b equals to 4 by 3. So we can write this is equals to we have inverse Laplace transform of this portion only, s plus 2 by s plus 1 s minus 2 equals to inverse Laplace. This is equals to a by b by, a means minus 1 by 3, b means 4 by 3. So minus 1 by 3, 1 upon s plus 1 plus b means 4 by 3, 1 upon s minus 2. This is by partial fraction. So this is equals to what? 1 by 3 constant, L inverse 1 upon s plus 1 plus 4 by 3 constant, L inverse 1 upon s minus 2. So this is equals to 1 by 3 e to the power minus t here plus 4 by 3 e to the power 2t. So this is Laplace transform of this. Okay. So we use partial fraction and L inverse fs equals to ft. Now by using that formula, using inverse Laplace transform of division by s, we get inverse Laplace transform of fs by s. Fs by s means s plus 2 by s plus 1 s minus 2. This is divided by s. is equals to what? 0 to t ft dt. Ft, this is ft. So 4 by 3, this is minus sign, so we can write like this: 4 by 3 e to the power 2t minus 1 by 3 e to the power minus t dt. Integrate it, we can solve. 4 by 3, 4 by 3 common, e to the power 2t, e to the power 2t divided by 2. Integrate it, minus e to the power minus t, so plus 1 by 3 e to the power t. This is our integration. So apply limit 0 to t. This is equals to what? At the time of t, you will get t 4 by 3 e to the power 4 by 3, 2 by 3. Here 2 is here, so 2 by 3, 2 by 3 e to the power 2t plus 1 by 3 e to the power t. This minus e to the power 0, 1, e to the power 0, 1 means 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 means 1. So finally we get 2 by 3 e to the power 2t plus 1 by 3 e to the power t minus 1. So this is L inverse of this, but we have to find here s square. Again divide this by s. Okay, so again apply this formula. Again apply the formula. Suppose this is a star. Okay, this is a star. Then what? L inverse of this fs divided by s square. So s plus 2 by s square, s plus 1, s minus 2. This is divided by s, this s square. This is equals to 0 to t. Formula ft will be this. And inverse f is equal to this. So this. So 2 by 3 e to the power 2t plus 1 by 3 e to the power t minus 1 dt. Okay. Now you can solve it. So this is our final, will be our final answer after integration. You can get it. Okay. So 2 by 3 integration of e to the power t 2t upon 2 this plus 1 by 3 e to the power t integration e to the power t e to the power t e to the power 2t by 2 and minus of 1 means t, applying 0 to t limit. So apply 2 cancel, so 1 by 3 e to the power 2t plus 1 by 3 e to the power t minus t, this is for t, for 0 2 cancel, 1 by 3 e to the power 0, e to the power 0, 1, 1, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 0. So 1 by 3 e to the power 2t plus 1 by 3 e to the power t minus 2 by 3. Clear? So this is our answer. Okay. There is a 2t minus e to the power I think it was minus sign. It was minus sign. So it is a minus t. So minus e to the power minus t. So here minus e to the power minus t. So here minus e to the power minus t. So here also minus. So this is 0. So this is our final answer, I think. minus t. So 1 by 3 e to the power 2t minus e to the power minus t minus 3t. This is our answer. Okay. So there was mistake in sign. So I think there was e to the power minus 3t plus e to the power minus 3t. E to the power minus t. So minus t means integrate, the minus sign is there. So minus of 1 by 3 e to the power minus t minus. So this is the value and for minus sign this will finish. So this is our answer. Okay, e to the power 2t minus e to the power minus t minus t 3t 1 by 3 common. Okay, so here we see that we can find inverse Laplace transform of functions which is divided by s for this. First of all, you can find Laplace transform of some rational functions, and then that function is divided by s. If it's such type of function, then you can apply this formula. Okay. Now, just we have discussed about inverse Laplace transform of fs bar by s, division by s. Now, integration of inverse Laplace transform of derivative of fs bar. Okay, inverse Laplace transform of derivative of fs bar we can find. We know a formula, what? L of TFT equals to what? Minus 1 to the power 1 d by ds of fs bar. We know, remember it? Laplace transform. So invert it. L inverse of this is equals to TFT. So this formula is very, very important for finding Laplace transform of some function of s. Okay. Suppose we have to find, for example, suppose here if from here we can write the formula. Let's just first we have to write the formula. If this formula, if okay, L inverse of fs bar means inverse Laplace transform of function of s is ft. Then our formula will be what? L inverse of, or we can write in terms of just like L inverse of d by d s fs bar. Means L inverse fs bar is ft. Then L inverse d by ds of inverse. Here L inverse will be here. So minus 1, right side will be minus d ft. Okay. We can write like this. Also, this formula can be written as for finding ft here, or we can write tft equals to minus of L inverse of d by ds fs bar. Okay, and we can proceed to finding inverse Laplace transform by differentiate that function. Suppose we have to find L inverse 1 by s square, and we know that differentiating 1 by s, by differentiating 1 by s we can get minus 1 by s square, minus 1 by s square. Clear? If we differentiate 1 by s, so what? S to the power minus 1, s to the power minus 1 minus 1, s to the power minus 2, 1 by s square minus 1 by s square. We know this. That is, for finding inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square, we can apply this formula, where fs bar will be 1 by s. fs bar 1 by s. 1 by s. Laplace transform of, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s equals to what? 1. We know 1. Okay? So, inverse Laplace transform of derivative of 1 by s equals to what? Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s means derivative 1 by s square minus 1 by s square. Okay? So, this can be written as minus L inverse 1 by s square. And this is equals to what? Derivative is equals to TFT minus TFT. FT equals to what will be the FT? 1. L inverse fs bar equals to FT. FT equals to 1. So 1. So this is equals to this. That means here 1 minus plus t. T equals to L inverse 1 upon s square. We know by formula also L inverse 1 by s square equals to what? T to the power 1 upon 1 factorial. That is t. So we can get. So this is the use of this formula. This is for particular example. How can use this formula? So now we use this formula for solving questions. Okay, so very important questions. So note down. First of all, we have to write here formula like this. TFT equals to what? Minus of L inverse dy ds of fs bar, where L inverse fs bar equals to ft. This is formula star. Okay, this is our formula. We have to use this formula for solving questions. Okay, so note down the question. Very important questions. This is the questions. The first part is what? The first part, solution. Okay, solution. First part, we have to find what? L inverse log of s plus 1 upon s minus 1. We have to find this first part. Find Laplace transform of this. First, second, third, fourth. There are 4 parts of these questions. Important. All questions are important. Finding Laplace transform of this. Inverse Laplace transform of this. So, inverse Laplace transform of function of s is function of t. So, that's why we are supposing that let this is equals to ft. That is, our target is we have to find the value of ft. The value of ft. Okay. Now, then we see that derivative of this, if this, we have to find the value of this. Suppose this is ft, that is, we have to find the value of ft. Okay, now using this formula. Okay, L inverse of this is equals to Ft, L inverse of Fs bar equals to Ft. This, then this we can get. So then using star we get. You have to write this formula for solving this question. Okay, using this. This is Fs bar. This is Fs bar. Ft. Ft. We have to find Ft. Now, using this. If this, then this. So, T equals to Tft. Tft equals to minus L inverse d by ds Fs bar, that is this, for this Ft, log of s plus 1 upon s minus 1. Okay, so this can be written as minus of log a by b, so minus L inverse d by ds of log s plus 1 minus d by ds of log s minus 1. Okay, log a by b, log a minus log b formula, you know. So this is equals to minus L inverse its derivative with respect to s, 1 by s plus 1 into 1. So L inverse minus L inverse of this 1 upon s plus 1 minus minus plus L inverse of 1 upon s minus 1, 1 upon s minus 1. Okay, so this is equals to what? Minus e to the power minus t plus e to the power t. Clear? By using inverse Laplace transform of basic function shift e to the minus t. So this can be written e to the power t minus e to the power minus t, e to the power minus t by 2, here 2. That is what? Equals to 2. This is sine, hyperbolic sine 2t. Hyperbolic sine 2t. Okay, so we get like this. Tft equal to this. Our target is what? Finding the value of ft. That is ft equals to what? 1 by t to hyperbolic sine 2t. So this is our answer. Ft means what? L inverse log of this. So this is equals to this. Implies L inverse log of s plus 1 upon s minus 1 equals to 1 by t to hyperbolic sine 2t. Okay, so this is our answer. So sine 2t, not t, only t. Only t. Okay, hyperbolic sine t, sine t, sine t. 1 by t, 2 hyperbolic sine t. 1 by t, 2 hyperbolic sine t. So this is our answer. This is application of this formula. Inverse Laplace transform of derivative of function of s. Okay, now question second. Here question second part. Let also L inverse equals of what is the second part? S square plus 1 upon ss plus 1 log s square plus 1 upon s plus 1. Also suppose this is equals to t, then our target will be finding the value of ft by using this formula. Okay, so we can solve it also by using the same method. How can solve it? Then using star we get what? Simple. Log a upon b into c means log a minus log bc. Log bc means log b plus log c. So you can also separate it like this by using this formula. What? P f t equals to L inverse of minus L inverse. This is equals to minus of L inverse. Pft equals to minus of L inverse of d by ds of fs bar. That is, this is fs bar. So log of s square plus 1 upon s plus 1. We can separate it in three parts. Log of this minus log of this minus log of s plus 1 means log a by bc. That is log a minus log bc. Log bc means log b plus log c. So you can separate it. Minus of L inverse, three part. First part d by ds. First part log of s square plus 1 minus of d by ds of log of s minus of d by ds divided, this is distributed, minus of d by ds log of s plus 1. Okay, this three part. Now this is equals to minus of L inverse derivative of this log 1 upon derivative s square plus 1 2s. This is first part. Okay, this is first part. Minus of L inverse, distribute L inverse 2s upon s square. Differentiation of this minus L inverse, differentiation of this 1 by s. Okay, minus of L inverse of differentiation of 1 upon s plus 1. Simple. So here minus of L inverse 2s upon s square plus 1. Minus minus plus L inverse of 1 by s means what? 1 by s means 1 plus minus minus plus L inverse of e to the power minus t. Okay, now we have to find Laplace transform of 2s by s square plus 1. 2s by s square plus 1. Okay, we know the s by s square plus 1 equals to, so here minus 2 common, L inverse s upon s square plus 1 plus e to the power minus t equals to what? 1 plus e to the power minus t minus 2 cos t. S upon s square plus 1 square. Okay, so this is cos 2t. So we get 1 plus e to the power minus t minus 2 cos t. Clear? 1 plus e to the power minus t minus 2 cos t. This is our no, we have to find this ft. So implies t ft equals to this. So ft equals to what? 1 by t, 1 plus e to the power minus t minus 2 cos t. Okay, so ft means this. So inverse Laplace transform of this is equals to this. This is our answer. So this type of questions can be solved by this formula. This is inverse Laplace transform of derivatives. Okay. So also for this questions, the third part is what? Cot inverse s by 2. Cot inverse s by 2. So remaining two parts are for your questions for your attendance. We can suppose just I will give hint. Okay. So now time for questions for your attendance. Okay. So I will give 4 questions for solving you today. So I will give complete hint of these questions. Okay. So first question is the remaining part of the previous question, that is first. Find inverse Laplace transform. First question. Inverse Laplace transform of cot inverse s by 2. Cot inverse s by 2. Second. L inverse of tan inverse 2 by s square. Tan inverse 2 by s square. Third question. L inverse of s plus 2 by s square plus 4s plus 5 whole square. Okay. S square plus 4s plus 5 square is plus 2. And four L inverse of 4s plus 5 upon s minus 1 square plus s minus 1 square into s plus 2. Sorry, into s plus 2. Okay. S minus 1 square, s plus 2. And fifth question and last question, that is L inverse of 3s plus 1 So these are the 5 questions. You have to solve these questions today and reply to me solution by making PDF and send to me. Okay. Here, hint of these questions are very simple. This question, L inverse cot inverse S by 2. Okay, L inverse of cot inverse S by 2. We have to find this. This is Fs bar. This can be differentiated. We know differentiation of cot inverse x equals to what? Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative. So, derivative of, apply which formula? Inverse Laplace transform of derivative of Fs. That is, derivative of this is, we know what? L inverse dy ds. Here will be what? Cot inverse S by 2. So, we can differentiate it. What? We can differentiate it. Differentiate it means minus 1 upon 1 plus S by 2 square and 1 by 2 also divided by 1 by 2. 1 upon 1 by 2. So, this is equals to what? 2 square plus s square. Here 4. Sorry, differentiation. No, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So, this is 2 by s square plus 2 square. And we know its inverse Laplace transform. What? Sine 2t. So, you can find by using inverse Laplace transform of derivative formula using. Okay, this is the hint for first question. Now, second question, tan inverse 2 by s square. Tan inverse 2 by s square. Very important questions. Note down. It can be also differentiated just like L inverse of differential dy ds of tan inverse 2 by s square. 2 by s square. So derivative, what will be the derivative? 1 upon 1 plus 2 by s square this differentiation. Also differentiation of 2 by s square. Also differentiation of 2 by s square means what? 2 s square means h to the power minus 2, h to the power minus 2, that is minus 2, h to the power minus 3, that is 1 by 3. This will be the derivative. So it can be solved like this. What? Minus 4 here h to the power 4 plus 2 square s to the power 4 into 1 by s cube, that is what? Minus 4 s upon s power 4 plus 2s square. Okay, 2s square, that is minus 4s upon, here minus sign, this minus sign will finally what? Positive. So here what we get? 4s by s power 4 plus 4, s square plus 4. So we can convert it. Now inverse Laplace transform of this can be found. How? S power 4 plus 4. So s square plus 2 whole square plus s power 4 plus 4 plus 4s square, so minus 4s square. Okay, minus 4s square is, it can be written like this, 4s by this. Okay, so 4s by what? A square minus, this can be written 2s square, a square minus b square. So s square plus 2 minus 2s, s square plus 2 plus 2s, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So this upon this, it can be separated by 1 by this factor minus 1 by this factor and adjust upper side. Then you can separate it. And then by using shifting property, here s square making like this. plus minus of this. So s minus 1 or s minus 2, etc. By setting this, you can get result as it is equal 80 sin t or cos t or hyperbolic cos t, maybe anything. Okay, so this is the conversion of this tan inverse 2 by s square to our standard form. So it can be solved. Very important questions. Okay, important questions. Now these questions can be solved by partial fraction method. You see, the rational function, rational function, rational function. This is the rational function, but here one thing is, this formula can be, this function can be suppose just like 1 by derivative function. Suppose 1 upon s square plus 4s plus 5 this. So dy of dy ds. If we differentiate it, then we can get minus of 1 upon this square plus here 2s plus 4. 2s plus 4. We can get different after differentiation. 1 upon only this without power. By differentiating we can get this. So here we see that if 2 common, then s plus 2 by s square plus 4s plus 5 square. This is here. So by differentiating what? 1 upon s square plus 4s plus 5 only this. So derivative of this is this. That means using inverse Laplace transform of derivative of fs. Derivative of fs means this is fs. This is fs. And this is equals to, first of all you have to find this is equals to what? So L inverse, this is equals to TFT, FT, then you can use inverse Laplace transform of derivative, that is TFT equals to this inverse Laplace transform of derivative. After derivative you can L inverse of this, that is equals to FT, TFT. So FT can be find, FT equals to divided by that. So you can get the value. This is by using inverse Laplace transform of derivative. Okay. Now remaining question 4 and 5 can be solved by doing partial fraction. And you know about partial fraction from earlier classes. So this is rational function, this factorized, but here are two types. So for factorization you have to write like this: 4s plus 5 by s minus 1 square s plus 2 is equals to what? This there are square, so a by 1 time s minus 1 plus b by s minus 1 square plus c by s plus 2. You have to let like this. Clear? Being this 2 times. Now multiply it both side by this, and by comparing, by putting value, you can find the value of a, b, c, and then put here, and then the inverse Laplace transform of this is equals to means this. So this can be solved by using our standard formula. Similarly here 3s plus 1 by s minus 1 single factor, and here s square plus 1. This is second degree factor, cannot be factorized in real case. Okay, so this can be written like this: a by s minus 1 single factor plus bs plus c by s square plus 1. In the case of second degree factor, you have to write like this. Then also by multiplying it both side by this, and then putting s equal to something, or by comparing the coefficient of s, then you can find the value of a, b, c, then put the value of a, b, c here, then inverse Laplace transform this is equal to means this, and this can be solved by any of the standard formula. So these 5 questions are for your attendance, so you have to solve it and reply me with time. Okay.